From Hoover to Montgomery, protesters traveled more than 80 miles today to take their complaints to the Alabama Attorney General. Good evening, I'm Sherry Jackson.
And I'm Jack Royer. We thank you for joining us tonight at 5 as they say they're calling for justice in the death of E.J. Bradford. Tonight we have live team coverage of today's developments from Hoover all the way to Montgomery. We begin tonight with our state capitol reporter Rashad Hudson, who saw today's protests firsthand, starting us off live in Montgomery. Rashad, good evening.
Good evening, Jack. Not only were the protesters in earshot of the Attorney General's office, but all of the lawmakers here in Montgomery. But tonight, the Attorney General's office not responding to those protesters.
EJ!
Taking it to the streets outside of Attorney General Steve Marshall's office. About 24 people stood in front of the AG's office with signs.
No justice! No peace!
Chants and outraged about the decision not to prosecute the officer who shot and killed E.J. Bradford Thanksgiving night at the River Chase Galleria.
Whenever you took that case, you knew then you was going to clean it up some kind of way to get this officer off for murdering my son.
In Marshall's report released Tuesday, it stated there was no reason to pursue criminal charges against the officer, a decision not sitting well with the Bradford family.
I stand here today to tell the world that we are tired of you killing our children.
All right now.
And then having the audacity to call it justice.
The family of E.J. Bradford seated in front of protesters, demanding a meeting with the Attorney General.
The least you can do is come out and talk to the family.
Protesters marched around the AG's office hoping to get in. This was the scene once police arrived.
I'm hereby warning you that you are in violation of Alabama law.
Now, we reached out to the Attorney General's office hoping that they would respond to the protests going on right outside. They responded with no comment. Reporting live in Montgomery, Rashad Hudson, CBS 42 News, local coverage you can count on.